Hi Max, a German-Japanese car, 15020 Oxnard Street, Sherman Oaks, California, 91411. Call or text 310-804-4185. I'll meet or beat any eBay price. Exact same item with shipping. Post this video. 2011 Audi A3 2.0T CBFA engine. I just got it in yesterday. Many good parts. It's hitting the front, but I believe the engine and DSG transmission survived pretty well, even though there's a little damage. No oil escaped from it, so I think I've got a good engine, good transmission, doors, panoramic sunroof, interior's pretty clean, wheels and tires, 87,000 miles. Many good parts. Let's look on the inside. Got the rear deck lid cover, the rear hatch cover. The seats are pretty damn decent. Many good parts. I got these on the front end. I got these fog light covers for the bumper. I take credit cards and ship. I do installation and repair. Check me out at maxsgermancar.com or my YouTube channel, the Max Brakeman channel. 11 Audi A3 in for parts. 310-804-4185. Call or text 310-804-4185. Thank you very much.